Let me show you how to use AI to analyze your company. Now, wouldn't it be great if you could use an AI tool that will analyze your entire company and your website, give it pros, cons, gaps to work on, how it's doing compared to competitors, all of that stuff. I'll show you how to do it all using my partner SEMrush's SEMrush One. Now, all you need to do is go in the description down below and click on the link that I've provided. And you can see once you click on it, you can see you will be able to get 7 days completely free. So you can try it out and analyze your company and your website through AI and see if it's helpful. Now, after you have signed up, you'll be able to see you'll get to semrush.com. On the left-hand side, we're going to go down to AI, this little icon here, and then go down to Site Audit. This will allow AI to analyze and the SEMrush tools to analyze your website. In this case, I'm just going to use a random nursery website here, local to me, plantdelights.com. Now, this is really helpful because it will analyze and do a site audit of that specific website using AI. So it can say site health, crawled pages, the AI search health, blocked from AI searches, etc. Now, a really helpful tool is if you scroll down, it will walk you through a number of different errors, warnings, or notices. And then you can also scroll down and view the crawlability, the site performance, etc. Now on here, you can see I can tap on number of issues, 5 here. And you can see it will provide me some issues with some of the websites or some of the articles on my website. You can see here it will show up with a value for rating count is required, and basically it's missing for various snippets, etc. So you can go through that and have specific structured data, errors fixed. You can also go to crawled pages and get an idea of if there are any issues with those crawled pages. But you can also go through and see all of these things in terms of statistics of your basically website. You can go to progress, see how it's changed over time, all that. Now, this is one aspect, but you can also go up to visibility overviews here. And from here, again, you can just type in your company's website here. And then it will basically analyze it using AI to get an idea of how it ranks in terms of AI platforms, ChatGPT, Google's AI overviews, etc. You can see Gemini is coming soon, and I can scroll down and see how my certain topics are performing that are on my website or your company's website. Topic opportunities, these are missed opportunities where you could perform better in terms of analyzing it through an AI search lens. You can also go down to competitor research here and view all of your competitors. How are they doing compared to you? Are you winning out in terms of audience and mentions within AI? You can also go to prompt research, then as well as brand performance, perception, narrative drivers. This gives you a ton of information how basically AI views your website, some gaps around your website, your gaps around your services, your marketing, your platform, how competitors are doing, all of that stuff, super helpful.